Hi guys. Furnace alert. Minus 25 last night Celsius. That's like way below zero in Fahrenheit. So, mail day. This is from, first of all, it's addressed to Rooster the Rooster Pender. Well, I had that when I was a kid quite a bit. It's from Mowers and Blowers. But this is not the Mowers and Blowers on YouTube. This is the Mowers and Blowers on Facebook. And it's M-O-R-E-Z or Z-B-L-O-E-R-Z-Z. Mowers and Blowers. So I'll just bring out the letter. I'm just keeping the envelope out of eye. There's a little bag here. Bruce, I hope all is well. I make these handle clips to hold down the operator bar on the handle. It takes place of your clamp. I guess it's probably like that. Here, I got it right here. Let your viewers know they can get details on my Facebook page, Mowers and Blowers. Mowers and Blowers, right there. Try the clip and give it a review. Thanks, Ross. So Henry, I believe, is the guy who has Mowers and Blowers on YouTube, and this is Mowers and Blowers on Facebook. See what we got. Looks like it's dipped or painted in a really good quality paint. Yep. Some kind of an enamel. And you just slip it over the lawnmower and holds the clip down. Or you maybe put it on the clip first. I'll have to try that. I don't have a running lawnmower right here. It's out in the shed. And 2 cards. Karaszewicz Construction. And honeying guys. Oh yes, he does removal, ethical removal of honeys. A honeybee removal. That's pretty cool. You know, people are getting used to the new economy, right? They're getting involved in things that, you know, at one time, 50 years ago, an old dude would just get out there and tear out a honey hive and dump it into a burning barrel. But now there's good things going on out there. So anyway, thank you, Ross. Make sure I got that right. Yep. For your generosity, and we'll carry on. I've got one more. We'll just see that in a little bit. Thank you very much. And this came the same day. It's from Charles, I can say this, Charles Horton, Illinois. It says what's on it in the box, but I gotta open it to believe it. Oh, good thing. I wonder which one it is. It's a tachometer. I found a removal. I found a battery tack after your help on YouTube, so I ordered 2. Aw. Also sent a pic of my hydraulic table. I put side pieces so mower doesn't slip off. I've had lots of comments about that. I've had several slipping off before I added the edge. I don't do the volume of mowers that you do. I see 12 to 15 mowers a year. And 46 snowblowers. Thanks, Chuck. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is his lawnmower lift, and he's added an edge to it. Can you see that? Let's just do this. So that's pretty cool. So he's ordered 2, because sometimes when you're on Amazon, you can get 2 for a deal. So let's see what we got here. Right on. Thank you. So I'm going to. It's got a battery in it. Mine does not. The one I have does not have a battery. That'll make a huge difference. Well, thanks a lot, Chuck. And yes, I should put sides on my lift, but I do so many lawnmowers that are coming off and on the truck that I don't really want a lip there on the side of my lift. But I do understand, and I've had quite a few comments about the dangers of not having the sides on the can I call it the pinder lift? A lot of guys do. So thank you very much. I'm just going to put this over here for now. Once again, I still can't believe the generosity of my subscribers. It amazes me. Somebody would go, a little channel like mine, and somebody goes to the generosity of getting a gift and shipping it and the whole thing. It's quite something. Thank you. And everybody have a good day and stay safe out there. Thank you.